with another one.
Alright guys, so here in front of you is a 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport, and we're going to be doing some videos on it today. Right now, the first video is going to be how to remove the front bumper. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the front view. Let's go under the hood. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do is remove all 21 push pins. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then 21. Let's remove all of those first. Alright guys, so I've removed 20 push pins, and I'm going to show you how to remove this last one. You're just going to get your pry tool, stick it in, pull up on it, and that's it. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is remove the middle plastic cover. So up under that plastic cover, you're going to have 4 more push pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to remove those also. All right, we got those removed. All right, so now I'm on the passenger side of the bumper. What you're going to do is you're going to remove these 3 Phillips head screws and a push pin that I just dropped. If you look in here, you have one there, one down at the bottom. That's the one in the middle, and then you have another one here, and the push pin goes there. Now, you also have a Phillips head up here. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's like right there. You have to take that one out too. That's the one that's right here. All right, so take all 4 of those out. All right, so we got the 4 Phillips head and the push pin, and we're going to take out that last Phillips head. Alright, and that's it right there. Alright guys, so I'm on the passenger side, and we're going to do the same thing. Take out the 4 Phillips head screws and the push pin. All right, we got everything loose. So it's the long one, the 3 middle-sized ones, and the actual push pin. All right, guys, so now we're underneath the bumper, and you're gonna have to take out 10 push pins. You have 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, 5. See, 6, 7, 8. Let's see, 9, and then the one at the end right here, 10. After you take those out, you have Phillips heads to remove. 1, 2. Let's see, and you have 3, 4. Let's remove all of those. All right, now that we have all of the push pins and the Phillips head screws from up under the bumper, we should be able to just pull the bumper off. I'm going to start with the driver's side. All right, now we're gonna go to the passenger side. All right, now that you have that off, the whole bumper should just pull off. All right, so you have this one connection here that you're gonna have to disconnect, and you just push down on here. You push it down here and just pull it out. It should just come straight out, just like that. And there you go. We got the bumper off. That's basically it. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put the bumper back on. All right, so we got the bumper on, and what we're gonna do is snap in the sides first. Now we're going to snap the top part on each side that's right above the light. All right, so you got to make sure you put the 1, 2, 3, 4. Those have to be in first before you put the middle piece on. The one that's over here goes through the actual middle piece through that part, but the 1, 2, 3, 4, they're underneath that plastic piece there, okay? All right, so now we're gonna put the 21 clips that go at the top of the bumper in. So the clips that you're gonna put in have like this little divot. See that little divot in it? And this one doesn't. So the ones that have this little divot like this, those are the ones that go on the top. Remember, it's 21. And make sure that you put the plastic piece back in the middle. So in all the clips on the top of the bumper, it's 25. The 21 that go across the top, plus the 4 that go on the actual part of the bumper underneath that center plastic. All right, so now I'm gonna go underneath the vehicle, and I'm gonna put in the 10 push pins and the 4 Phillips head screws. All right, guys, so basically we're finishing up here. We're on the passenger side. All you have to do is install the 3 flat Phillip head screws, the long Phillip head screw with the rounded head that attaches the bumper to the actual fender, and then the 1 push pin. That's it. So if you look in here, we have, let's see, 1 here. We got to put 1 there. We have, let's see, 1 right there, and then the push pin is up in there too, right there. And then we have to put the actual long screw right here. Okay, and you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side of the vehicle right here. Sorry guys, it got dark on me, so all you have to do is do the same thing on the driver's side. The 3 flat Phillip head screws and the long screw that holds the bumper to the actual fender. It's long, but it has a rounded head, but it's still a Phillip head. And then put the push pin in, and that's it. I mean, that bumper's on there, it's done. All right guys, this is J.O.A.T.D and I am out.